Your tram won't quite reach 88 miles per hour. Not even close. But don't worry, I've already accounted for that. You won't even notice the time jump. One moment you're here, and the next, bam, destination Hill Valley, 1955. Keep your eyes open. Observe everything. Interact with the locals. And most importantly, have fun. Time travel is a very rare privilege, so make the most of it. All right? Let's synchronize our watches. And off you go!
Did he say interact with the local? Are we gonna be visiting? Are you guys excited? Yeah! Because it sounds like we're going to be able to get out of this time machine.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
Oh no, you're okay.
My apologies.
Oh, you're all good.
Have a great
you guys,
rest of the day.
the VIP guys. So there is a photo op here you guys can do on your own. We want to move up a little further to show you where we're going to meet, and then you guys can come back and do this. We're going to have about 45 minutes inside this area, okay? So right around 8 o'clock. We're going to follow Libby in this kind of gathering all together.
Alright, VIP's over this way. And Lorraine. I think it's funny the one door I opened actually opened. I was like, oh shit.
I was like, I'm shocked. Time goes by so slowly. Time can do so much for you. Still mine. I need your love. I need your love. Lord, speed your love
You? Oh yes, that was great. Thank you very much. Be careful. You don't want to get stuck by right.
Brady, can you hold on? doesn't mean.
What's over here? I think this is the DeLorean. Oh, they're still laughing at you? Well, there's one or two that are traveling, one that are I don't know. There's one that's just it's probably the one. Oh, yeah.
The dog is inside.
It's a girl.
Back up now. Yeah, back up. You might get hurt. Back up. What are you talking about? My hairline is receding. That one was for you, buddy. Move! It's a bunch of manure right there. I can smell it on you. Keep that up there.
Gather round Hill Valley. The enchantment under the sea dances tonight. Dance to the latest hits with Marvin and the Starlighters. Come and join them.
Is it?
All right. The only thing that can contribute the same amount of power is a bolt of lightning.
Okay, this is great. We got a plan. I'll hang
According to that flyer, it will strike tonight at 10:04 p.m. All we have to do is harness the lightning. Channel it into the festival. Just like what?
I'll hang around. We'll
In just a few hours, we're sending you back to the future. Now, wait a minute. As you've been here, have you interacted with anyone else today besides me?
You guys didn't see, that interact with anyone else, right?
It doesn't look like anyone here fits in with the town. They're from out of town. Is that fair to say? Yeah. As long as you haven't interacted with anyone here from 1955, you'll be fine.
Hey guys, give it up for Mike Brennan, my best friend.
Mama Pikachu!
The old man really came through. It worked. He laid out Biff in one punch. And he's only had an enemy. He's never served to Biff in his life. Alright. Let's set your destination, guys. This is the exact time you left. Let's send you back at exactly the same time. It'll be like you never left. Now, that's where you start from. I calculated the precise distance, taking into account the acceleration speed and wind resistance retroactive from the moment the lightning strikes, which will be exactly 7 minutes and 22 seconds. When this alarm goes off, you hit the gas. Right. everything will be fine. Time circuit sign, flux capacitor. Oh.